Okay, so we are out in my driveway. Well, used to be a driveway. We had this big old tree here that fell. I have a half circle driveway, so it blocked one side of it. Big tree. It's actually not the whole tree, it's just the top half. And I'll show you. Now let me do this without tripping. The top up there is where it snapped off of. Well, it snapped from there and it fell across the out part of my driveway, which I hate because I have purposely allowed my crepe myrtle trees to become overgrown so that they drape over my driveway like canopy. I love it. And then when they're fully bloomed and summertime, it's beautiful driving through my driveway because it's shaded. And see how it drapes like canopies over my driveway? I love it. But now, that big Bertha tree decided to fall. Sorry about the noise. We have a generator running. It's really loud. And then we're going to go around and look at, there's my husband's toy. It's our old wood shop. It's my daddy's old workshop. We got to rebuild it still. Yeah. So, I'm going to shine this up here. I don't want to get any license plates on our cars. There's another tree. So, this tree that I'm pointing at right here, that's an old hickory tree. I used to climb that tree when I was young. It broke as well, which breaks my heart because it came crashing down. Just a branch, not in half. Just a branch. Yeah. Oh, there's our barbecue trailer out there. It's okay. Look, that's my husband's Oldsmobile. He's got the windows taped up. This car has over 400,000 miles on it. Yep. There's our well house that we're in the process of rebuilding. We're gonna venture out into the backyard. You think my husband has enough trailers? He's got trailers out the ass. Here's the trees that you saw in that one video. The top half of the trees. It broke part of the well house when it fell. That's where our well is. Still got wind. Yeah. A lot of our siding blew off of the house. So it's a little crazy. There's our orange tree that only blooms baseball hard oranges. They look like limes right now because they're not ready yet. No trailer with the pond that goes out. We have a big pond that has a huge island in the middle of it. This is our barbecue trailer. Our old chicken coop. Old pasture out there. Small. That's our little pasture over there. Yeah. And that's an old chicken coop. We gotta tear that down still. There's our little pond area. I'm not gonna go out there because I don't have the right shoes on and there's a lot of snakes over there because of the water. I was just gonna come over here and make sure the barbecue trailer's okay. Yeah. This is where all the fun happens. A lot of good eating comes out of this house. I know it looks a mess. Obviously, we clean it. Alright, we'll continue.